When you're running a small business, one of the toughest things to figure out is how to stay organized financially. There's a good chance you've heard about QuickBooks, but maybe even seen ads or heard friends mention it. But let's cut through the noise and actually break down what this tool does. QuickBooks is designed to help business owners keep track of their income, expenses, taxes, invoices, and all the little financial details that usually end up causing a lot of stress, especially come tax time. But here's the thing, not every business is the same. Some people are working solo doing freelance gigs, others are managing teams and dealing with payroll. So the real question is, does QuickBooks actually solve the problems you deal with daily, and do you need this tool? Let's start with who QuickBooks is made for. It's best suited for people who want to stop guessing where their money's going and actually start seeing the numbers clearly. You can track your income, monitor your expenses, send out professional invoices, accept payments online, and even generate reports that show how healthy your business is. And let's be honest, that alone can give you a peace of mind and save you hours during tax season. That's why I needed QuickBooks. So QuickBooks Online is the version most people use. It's cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere, like your laptop, a tablet, your phone. You could be on vacation. You don't need to install anything or worry about updates. The dashboard is clean and simple, and even if you're not a numbers person, it walks you through most of what you actually need. And you don't need to have a bookkeeper to use it. That's the whole goal. If your business is just getting off the ground and your expenses are super minimal, you might be able to get by without it, at least in the beginning. But as soon as you start dealing with multiple clients, recurring expenses, or even just want a better handle on your cash flow, QuickBooks starts to make a lot of sense. And if you ever plan to scale, it's way easier to get organized now than to try to do it with a mess later. Ask me how I know that one. What's cool is that QuickBooks grows with your business. You can add on payroll, connect it with other apps you already use, or even get help from live bookkeepers through their live service. They've even got tools like QuickBooks Capital. If you need a loan, you can just apply for it. You can get a checking account in there as well. I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. This was a complete game changer for me, and that's kind of why I went this path, because come tax time, I started to owe a lot of money, and my tax lady was like, hey Chris, you need to start planning with business expenses where you're gonna get rid of your money here and there. And that's where QuickBooks came in. So here's the big question, right? Do you actually need QuickBooks? Do you need it? You don't have to use QuickBooks to run a business, but if you want to take your business seriously, keep your books clean, and come tax season, pay way less and have it be less stressful, then it's one of the most widely used tools for this in the entire world. And if you're curious to try it, there's a 30-day free trial so you can test it out and see if it's the right fit. Consider using my affiliate link in the description. All right, so if you got any value out of this, stick around. I've got more videos coming, and I give an honest review on that. I'll throw a link on the description of this tool. But like I'm saying, guys, I use QuickBooks because I absolutely needed it, and I wanted to scale my business to the next level, because come tax time, it was a jumble of a mess, if I'm being completely honest, and I wound up overpaying in taxes. I'm one of those people that really struggle with like organization, come tax time, all the receipts, and like labeling all the expenses, and that's where this tool, QuickBooks, completely changed the game for me. Consider subscribing to the channel. All the links will be in the description. I'm gonna quit rambling and see you guys out. All right, later.